Hello friends, welcome back into Engineering Insights Revit Architecture Essential Training. So as we discussed all about the templates and initial setting of Revit in our last two lectures, if you haven't seen these yet, I will provide link for you in description so you can go there and find that as well. So now for the better understanding of Revit, we will going to start our project today and learn about the first step of starting the project, that how you can create level on Revit. Until now, you can find a lot of videos regarding creating level on Revit, but all of these telling you about only one way to create levels on Revit. But today in this lecture, I will going to introduce you with three different ways of creating 100 plus levels on Revit by just one click in a second. So if you are doing working on multi-story project, these methods will be very helpful and time saving for you. If you want to learn everything about these methods, please watch the video till end. Now let's begin the lecture and move towards the first way of creating levels. When you come in your architectural template, you can see you have two levels already present in your project browser. But for creating new levels, you have to go in your architectural tab and find the level button here in the datum section. You can also reach here by using the double L shortcut key for the levels. But the question is rising here that why this level button is not active and how you can make it active for you. This is because at this time I am in my plan view and level button is only active in the vertical or elevational view of the project. So for make it active, it is necessary you have to go in your any elevational view. As you can see, when I come in any elevational view, the level button is automatically active for creating the new levels. Now select the level and just click and drag on the screen and create your new level for the project. You can notice one thing here, that when I create my new level in my elevational view, it automatically created in the project browser as well. Now let's see how you can do modification in your elevation after creating the new level. If you want to change your height, you can do it by using two different ways. If you want to change the height from the existing level till the top level, you can do it by click on the level and find the option here to change the height. You can put value according to you here. Let's say I put here 10 feet. Okay. But if you want to change the total height of the story from the base level to the top level, you can do it from here in this box. If you change the height here, it's change the total height of your building, not from your existing level. Its height shows you from the base level to the top level. You can also change the name of level from here. Let's say I put here level 3. Okay. Now if I click on any level, it shows me the checkbox on the left and right side of the elevation. If I uncheck this box, you can see the marks and signs are hide from here. If I check it again, it will be back on screen. Similarly, you can find these marks and signs on the left side by using this checkbox as well. Now if you want to do extension in your levels, click again on the level and you can find here a bubble. You can see it here. Click and drag it for your extensions in your levels. But you can see when I do extension in my level 1, it automatically extends the rest of the levels with respect to this as well. This is due to this lock you can see at the bottom. Its locks means that it make a constraint the other levels with respect to the level 1. And if you don't want it, unlock and now extend again. You can see now only my level 1 is extended and the rest levels are at their own places. One thing more for you here. When you click on your level, you can also find here an elbow mark. See this. You can use it for moving your levels and sign marks up and down as per your choice. So this is the first way of creating levels on Revit and some modification about it. But when you are working on your multi-story project, so this method is quite longer for you because clicking and dragging again and again for creating the levels of 30 or 40 plus stories will obviously take some time. So let's see about some easiest and fastest way of creating levels as well and move towards our second method that is called pick line method. For this method, again move into any of your elevational view and use double L short key for your levels. But at this time, I am using this offset box for putting my height value here. Let's say it will be 10 feet. And use this pick line option from here and just click on my existing level when it shows me the reference line on the upper side because I want my level on the upper side. Similarly, when it show me again the line on the upper side, I click on the same time like this, like this. So as you can see, by using the pick line method, you can create your new levels in very short time. And no need to click and drag again and again on the screen. Just one click on your existing level and you can create your new level. You can also check the value of height that we have put initially in that offset box by clicking any of this level. You can see it is 10 feet. Now finally your wait is over and we are going to move our fastest, easiest and shortest way of creating levels on Revit. That is called array method or one click method. For this again move into any of your elevational views or click on the level here, select the array option from the top and put the value of number of levels here. It might be 20, 50, 100, whatever you want. You can put here. I put here 20. Now select the value of height. In my case, it will be 12 feet and just click once on your screen. Wow, amazing. You can find all your 20 levels by just one click. No need of click and drag again and again and pick the line again and again. By just one click, you can find all of your required levels in your project. But notice one thing here. That's all levels which I created now are in black color, while the existing levels are in blue color. What is this? This is due to this black color indicates that these levels are not active in my project yet, and that's why they are not shown in my project browser as well. So how you can make it active? For this, go into your view, plan view, floor plan, select all the levels by pressing the shift key and click OK. Now if I go into elevation, you can see all these levels are turned into blue and also shown in the project browser as well. It means now all my levels are active in my project. Similarly, if you want make active all these levels in your ceiling plans as well, go again into view, select ceiling plans, again select all the levels and click OK. Now you can see all these levels are active in my ceiling plan as well. According to me, this is very fastest and easiest way of creating multiple levels on Revit and very useful for my multi-story projects. So that's why this is my favorite. But out of these three, which one is your favorite? Please must tell me in comments below. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.